What if your balance could improve dramatically, without even leaving your living room? After 60, your balance isn't just about standing tall, it's about staying independent, confident, and strong. In today's video, we'll go through a simple standing balance routine designed to restore your stability, strengthen your legs, and reconnect your body's coordination. It only takes a few minutes a day, and each movement is gentle, effective, and safe. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, which part of your body feels the weakest when you try to balance, your ankles, knees, or core? Let's begin our journey to a steadier, stronger you. Let's start with the foundation, your feet. When your feet lose strength, your entire sense of balance starts to fade. We'll begin with a weight shift exercise. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly shift your weight from your left foot to your right, pausing in the middle. Focus on how your toes grip the floor. This tiny motion wakes up stabilizing muscles you haven't used in years. If you feel wobbly, it means your body is learning again. That's progress. Tip: imagine your feet rooting into the floor like tree roots, steady and alive. Do this for 60 seconds per side, breathing slowly and feeling the floor under you. Now we'll build control through the hips and legs. Lift one knee up, hold for a second, then lower it slowly. Alternate legs sounds simple, right? But this standing march is one of the most powerful ways to retrain your coordination. It challenges your hips, ankles, and balance system all at once, without strain. If you need support, lightly touch the back of a chair. But don't lean, just guide yourself. The goal is to let your body do the balancing work. Imagine you're walking through shallow water. Each step slow, stable, and controlled. Do 10 marches per side. Your body will feel awake, aligned, and alert. This next one strengthens your gluteus medius, the side hip muscle that keeps you steady. Stand tall, hold the back of a chair if needed. Lift one leg out to the side, hold for 2 seconds, then bring it back down slowly. Keep your toes pointing forward, not upward. That detail makes all the difference. If you rush, you're cheating your balance. Slow and steady wins here. Repeat 10 reps per side. You'll feel that deep burn on the outer hip. That's your stability engine firing up. Reminder: your hips are the gatekeepers of your balance. Strengthen them, and your posture follows. Now let's retrain your inner balance system. Proprioception. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, as if you're walking on a tightrope. Take slow, careful steps forward for about 10 feet. Your ankles will shake. That's a good sign. It means your nervous system is recalibrating. Don't fight the wobble. Breathe through it. Repeat twice. Then walk normally and notice how much lighter your steps feel. Pro tip: try this while brushing your teeth or waiting for coffee. Habit stacking makes consistency easy. Now, the ultimate test of balance. Lift one foot an inch off the floor and hold for as long as you can. Start with 5 seconds, then build up to 20. Keep your core tight and your gaze steady. This isn't about perfection. It's about micro-adjustments. Each small shake is your brain learning stability. If one side feels weaker, repeat it once more. Balance is built in layers, like strength. It just takes patience. Mindset cue. Every second you hold this pose is one step closer to confidence in motion. You've just trained the hidden muscles that keep you steady, the ones that protect you from falls and build lasting independence. Now roll your shoulders, take a deep breath, and feel your feet grounded again. gentle ankle circles, knee bends, and a slow neck roll complete the reset. Remember, balance isn't something you lose with age. It's something you can rebuild with attention. If you enjoyed this standing balance routine, hit the like button to tell YouTube you found it helpful. And subscribe, because tomorrow we're continuing with core isometrics for seniors, a seated routine that strengthens your abs without strain. Comment below, which of these balance moves challenged you the most? Your answer might inspire someone else to start today. The exercises in this video are for educational purposes only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine.